Hi, this is Erica with WTI, and I want to show you my new favorite backpack from Kah&Kee. I was looking for a more adult-looking backpack that I could use for traveling, and I fell in love with this one from Kah&Kee. What I love about it is that it is both fashionable and practical. It opens up really nice and wide in the top so that I can fit all of my travel essentials in it. I can fit a pair of clothes, my laptop or tablet, and any other travel essentials that you might need to bring with you. It has a separate pouch for your laptop or your tablet, and it has a zipper in the back in case you need to grab anything that might be buried in the bottom of the bag. It also has padding on the shoulders and the back, so it's very, very comfortable, and the handles on top make it really easy to carry. If you're looking for a really good-looking, practical bag, then I definitely think you're gonna love this one from Kah&Kee, and that's my point of view.